Okay, so it's almost 7:05. Let's start with this. Hello everyone. Welcome to this webinar of UiChemy. Before we begin, I would like to give a proper outline the process what we are going to discuss in this meeting. Here with me is Sagar Patel, who is the CEO of the company, Mithul, who is the developer of the plugin, Dhawal, who will be explaining the whole process. So, this UiChemy, I'm pretty sure by now we are all aware that it's a tool which will help you convert your Figma designs to WordPress easily within a few clicks. And now the agenda of this meeting is that we need to optimize few things directly on the Figma while we convert before we convert to the WordPress website, which we need to take care. Like it can be as simple as auto layout or some basic things, and Thawal from my team will be giving you the full explanation step by step that how you can take care of those nitty gritty things so that you have the best output with UiChemy. So, Thawal, can you please change to the next slide? We'll just give a brief intro. So,
Yeah.
Sagar, who is our CEO, will be giving you just a very quick recap of how we started with UiChemy and our whole background. Sagar, over to you.
Okay. Thank you. So, hello everyone. Thanks for joining on this UiChemy webinar. And we were too much excited for this webinar to explain you about UiChemy, why we have started, how you can get maximum output from this. So, basically, if I talk about our company, then we have started in 2015. And in early days, we have started with theme forest themes, then plugins, and so on. But right now we are having the main products, which are the plus add-ons for Elementor. That is the add-ons for Elementor. We are also having a Nexter WordPress theme, also the blocks. So with those products, we are catering our Gutenberg ecosystem. Right now, we are also having one more product, which is W Design Kit. That is also in beta, but there we are having lots of templates, widgets, widget builder. Also, you can manage everything on cloud. But on top all of that, I want to share more about UiChemy, because UiChemy is a product which we have started making for our own, because we are working on W Design Kit. Also, we are working on some projects when we have started a company and so on. So we know the pain points, and then we have planned for such product. But while planning this, we have seen in a market, there is a tool for Figma to Wix. So there is a tool for Figma to Wayflow. And at that time, we have started looking around, if there is any solution around for the WordPress users. But after searching a lot, at that time, we have found one or two products. But just right now, as Eva said, those products are when you convert that, that will be in custom coded, it might be in HTML, CSS, and so on. But we doesn't wanted to go that way, because WordPress is all about for the easiness of the users. And then we have planned, okay, and when we will do this product, we will make sure it will be a page builder compatible. For example, it's compatible with the Elementor. We are also working with the Gutenberg, Bricks. Also, we are adding more add-ons, there will be a Spectra version, Cadence version, and so on. So ultimately, our target is just to make your Figma to WordPress process as easy as possible, and that's our main goal with the UiChemy. And with all these webinars, we are trying to understand your problems more, and we will keep on improving that just to save your time, and that's our main purpose. So that was all about our history of our company and our product. Okay,
Got
thank
it.
you, Aditya. You can move
Thank
ahead.
you, Sagar. If you want to learn more, you can always visit POSIMYTH.com. Dhawal,
Yes.
can you please change to the next slide? Perfect. Thank you so much. So, as you must be aware, or our early users who have been adopting us from past 3 to 4 months plus, they must have seen the growth the UiChemy is leading from past few months, and the 2.0 version is like something which I have been personally excited and as well as with our users. So, just to give you a quick recap to the people who have started using UiChemy recently, in the 2.0 version we have added our new smart optimizer. So after talking with our users with the version one of the key issue everyone was facing was to optimize the design correctly directly in the Figma. So this optimizer is like very powerful, and it will give you spoon feed all the points you need to take care in your Figma template to make sure that the output is pixel perfect on your WordPress website. It's like suggestion like that you need to make a particular section auto layout, you need to tag the widgets, or how you need to adjust the responsive size and all such things. Like Dhawal will giving you the detailed explanation very soon. Next is like selecting multiple frames and converting multiple frames at once. So like for now you can import and export multiple website at once directly from the Figma. So we have given multiple export panel as well, and the panel has been given a complete new look. So we have taken feedback from our users and make the panel more easy to use, more guided, so that even a beginner can adopt the plugin very easily. And as always, like since this is a very new product in the industry, we are all looking for your suggestion, your workflow, and how you would want your UiChemy version to look in the future. So we are all there here for you. Dhaval, please next slide. So yeah, this is the next slide, which I'll give a very quick recap, what's coming up as well and what more we have added in version 2.0. Uh, as you are aware that UiChemy gives you two methods of exporting your design. One of them is the JSON mode, so where you don't need to install any UiChemy plugin, but you can just download the JSON and manually upload it on your WordPress website. But it can be tedious if you have multiple templates, then you have to manually do the upload and export part. That's why we have introduced the new advanced exporter mode, so you can just directly connect your WordPress website with the UiChemy WordPress plugin. So we have two versions. One is the Figma plugin and another is the WordPress plugin. And using the WordPress plugin, you can directly connect your site, and any changes you are pushing, you can directly push it to your WordPress website. So it can be as simple as replacing a page, creating a new page, or adding an additional section. So that level of control we are providing with the new exporter. So Dhaval will be showing you all the use cases in this webinar. And as well as we have we have go beyond, and we have also added integration with Elementor theme builder. So like for example, if you have designed a header and if you want to directly import that particular thing as a header template, then you can select the header template in the exporter and it will be exported as a header template. So like we have made sure that your process, and UiChemy is here to save your 80 to 90% of your time from the WordPress. Lastly, we are announcing this first internally to all the people who are in the webinar. That is, very soon we are going to launch a Sprout UI kit. This kit will be having more than 1300 Figma templates and components, and this components will be pre-optimized for conversion. So like it will have all the auto layout, widget tagging, and everything taken care, and you just have to export. So it's like ready to go export pages, and this will make your process more faster. And we have something more coming up. We'll be sharing, like we will be introducing more wireframe kit as well, so that it's much easier for you to start from the Figma itself, that you will have the right mold, so that you just need to add the images, text, and you have the perfect UiChemy compatible template. So double next slide, please. All right. So enough for us now sharing about the UiChemy journey. We'll directly take over. I'll ask Dhaval to take over, and he will explain the whole conversion from Figma to WordPress from a template. Dhaval, please start.
Thanks, Aditya. Hello, everyone. As Aditya has given overview, so let's move on and start with the Figma to WordPress conversion. Right, I have plugin open here, and right now I have an optimized Figma design. I will show you how to convert this into WordPress sites using UiChemy plugin. So let's check the design. As you can see, it is totally in groups and frames, not in auto layout. Right? Okay. And yeah, we have a header layout and footer layout, which are optimized. So let's check the page layout first. Okay. Okay. So I have selected the layout. So you can see the page is selected here. And then we have two methods. One is optimize and convert, and another one is express convert. It will allow to convert directly to the WordPress without any optimization and responsive settings. Sorry. But we will go with optimizing convert method. Okay. So we can see here optimization and companion options. So this option have 15 steps that will guide us to make the design compatible to UiChemy. So the first one is log multi-layer media. So this step will list out the frames that need to be locked. Okay. We have a click here, and to navigate to the design, I will click the icon. As you can see, there are four images inside one frame, and it's looks like a carousel. But when if you are not locking it, then Though as every separate images will be uploaded to the WordPress site. So if you don't want to upload the separate images, then you can simply click on the lock. Okay, as you can see, the lock is applied. And if you don't want to do it, you can simply undo this. Right. Okay, and currently I don't want to lock it, so I will just ignore it. Let's move to the next frame. Similar as above. I'm keeping just ignoring it because I have a plan to tag it as a gallery image. Okay, so it is a mandatory icon, and yeah, I want to lock it because it has a frame and inside a vector. So it will export it as a PNG image. If you are not locking it, then this vector will upload it as a SVG. Just simple. Just click on the fix button. It will lock this parent frame. Next, the same. Okay. Okay. So in this step, plugin shows a heat map. Actually, it will show how many images or assets your design has used. Let me show you. So we can see the red areas, which are image or icon, even SVGs. So every small even things you can see here. If you are unaware of your assets, you can track it by this step. You just have to do simply just mark as done. Okay, we have a list here. Okay, so this one is remove unnecessary groups and frames. In this step, plugin will list out all the extra frames which are not necessary when you are exporting as a WordPress site. Basically, these will be converted into containers, and having too many containers is not a good thing. So we will just remove it by just click. Let's first check which group is it. Okay, as you can see, there are two groups, group 6 and group 7, and then frame. So we don't need a group 6 and group 7. So we can simply select them and apply and fix. Okay, as you can see, it is removed. The next one, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. I don't want these groups, so I will simply remove it. Okay. In case if you don't want to remove the frames, if you have any extra any plan to tag as it is, so you can just ignore this. Here it is showing the form frame. Sorry, this one. And I don't want to remove it, so I will simply ignore this. Okay, there's a group which should be converted into frame, so it's done. Okay, so this is the main part of this optimization. Here you will get all the list of the frames or groups which are not in auto layout. Right? So if you are doing manually, it will take a lot of time. So you can, if you have a few frames, you can just check the frame. Which one is this? Okay, this one. Apply the fix. Yeah, keep your eyes on here. Just applied the auto layout, which is just a flexbox property. Right. Okay. Again. Okay. So let's fix all in just one click. Believe me, everything is converted into auto layout. Some complex fields, complex frames will be listed here, which plugin cannot decide in which way you want it. So let's check out. Okay, it is just a frame, and it has a background color, sorry, background image. So we just need to click here to add auto layout. Okay, that's it. Okay, apply the width and height. Okay. Okay. If you click on the rescan button, it will filter out the fixed frames. Okay, done. Now here, the forms. Okay, let's fix it. Just click here. The Figma will automatically select the wrap method. We are done. Okay, another one. The same. Click on the fix. Okay. The last one. It's, map. Same as above. Okay, I will set the width as a fill and height as fixed height because it sometimes it needs height. I will remove some padding added by Figma and make sure of your alignment in case if you feel that your content is not aligned as you wanted it. So you can handle it by here. Okay, that is scan. Okay, done. Okay, the last one. Uh, these steps suggest that you must need to apply auto layout to your main frame. If it is not in auto layout, then it will suggest you to do it. Just click on the fix button. Here we have done. Okay, so here I would suggest to select all the main frames inside the page layout and apply the fill container, which will once it is converted as a container, so it will apply as a full width container. If you don't want to do it, then you can individually select, like set the width, whatever you want. Okay. Okay. The next one, widget text. So here we have a list of widgets. This plugin provides support of Elementor free widgets, Pro widgets, and the plus add-ons for Elementor plugins widgets. So by tagging the layouts, it automatically converts the layout into widgets when converted to WordPress site. Okay. If your design's layout style is the same as widget style, then you can tag it directly from here. You don't need to do any custom codes. Okay, let's check how to do it. Okay, I can see this is the button. So let's check the button. Okay. This one is free jet for an Elementor. And here the plugin will automatically fetch the data, like what text you wanted to set as a button. And if you have any icon, then it will suggest here. If you don't have, just leave it blank. If you want to enter the link, you can write anything, or I just want to enter has. If your icon has any position, like here you can see it is right align. I mean, the position is after the text, so you can set it. But for this button, there is nothing, no icon. Just click on the save. Here, we have successfully tagged a button. Right. Okay. Let's select the another button and do the same. Okay, we have a vector icon. So plugin already automatically detected it and it is selected. In case you don't, if your icon is not showing here, so you can use this picker. Just click on the vector, click here, done. Okay, the icon position after. So I will selecting and click on the save. Then let's move. Okay, this can be tagged as a widget, carousel widget or image gallery widget. Okay, so let's tag it as a carousel widget. Okay, as I told you ago, all the images are selected here. We just need to decide how many slides we want to show. I would like to show 4. And if you want to show default arrows and dots, and you can select from here. If you don't want arrow and dots, you can choose with none. But I will select arrows and dot, and whatever color, white, black, red, blue, will support it from the carousel widgets. It will show here. If you don't want to do it, just leave it blank. It will apply the default color. Save. Okay, we have successfully tagged image carousel. Let's move. Okay, so since testimonial, okay, let's tag it. Okay, I just need to select the position. So if your layout is compatible with the widget, you just need to select the like the foot. As you can see, the image is aside from the title. If you have image over here, then you can select the top. But I'm going with aside. Okay, done. Applying the same to another one. Okay, again button. Let's tag it. Done. Okay, it is similar as above, but I will tag it as gallery image. This one. Okay. Image cells I want to show as full. Column 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Okay. So here it is the form. You just need to pick the parent frame and start tagging it. It is a Pro widget of Elementor Pro. So form widget won't appear if you haven't installed Elementor Pro plugin. So before tagging it, you must install Elementor Pro plugin in your site. Let's tag it. Okay, as we can see the name field here, we don't have a title, so I'll keep this field blank. Then select. Okay, what is the type of like my name? So text. Okay, to pick the placeholder text, we need to select the parent frame, and the placeholder text is selected. Let's move to another field, email address, email field. Okay, let's keep it blank. Selecting email. Okay, done. Let's apply to all the fields like this. This one is text area. If you have a title, you can select it. Okay, we have done with fields. Okay, and then last button. So we have a text here, send request. We don't have any icon, so we'll keep it blank. So we are done. Okay, it seems like counter. Let's tag it. Okay, we got the ending number, title, starting number. Let's say 5. Separator. I don't want prefix. I don't have any prefix here, so I will keep it blank, and I will pick the suffix plus as it is showing here. Okay, done. We apply the same to the another one. Okay, done. This one is Google Map. Okay, let's tag it. Okay, here the frame with background image. Okay, it doesn't matter whatever image you have set here. You just need to type a location, what the way you want. I will type Times Square NY USA, and how much zoom I want. I want it as 13x. Okay, done. Okay, the last ones, icon box. Let's tag it. Okay, I just need to tag a heading tag. I would like to select H3. Next, it is so fast, it won't take your time. All right, we are done with tagging. Okay, in case if you feel like if something is left behind without tagging, so how would you know it? So for that, we have an option here. You can use show tagging switch. Show you. Okay. As you can see this area, these are tagged as widgets. Okay, so you can see we missed this button. Let's tag it. Right. Again, let's check again. Okay, we need to select the layout and click here. Okay, so almost everything is tagged. Okay, even if you want to apply, like you want to decide, I want to give it this title to H1 tag, then you can do it. Click on heading, select a tag, done. For this one, if you want to tag it as a paragraph, just click here, save, it's done. If you're not doing, it will be automatically tagging tagged as the title, heading title, and paragraph. In case you want to decide what tag you want to do it, right? Okay, we are done with the tagging. This is the option if you want to customize your columns, if you want 3 columns, if you want 4 columns, right? This looks like Elementor's backend, so I'm keeping 2 columns. Okay, let's move. This is the responsive manager. So basically, it helps to make your design responsive in mobile and tablet device. As we can see, there are 2 options: recommended and custom. For the recommended, it is the values are set on based on data. Like we have prepared a list of responsive values, and which gives most efficient output when you are exporting this. So you can use this by default, or if you have if you want to customize your responsiveness, then you can do it by here. It has 4 options: font size, line height, heading, and flex cap. With the help of this option, we can make our design responsive according to mobile and tablet device. And it also have some breakpoints, so you can use it. I have used some values and the breakpoints we provide. Okay. Even yeah, you can export your data here as a JSON and import it again. Let's go with recommended. Okay, this is just conversion settings. You don't have to do every time here. Uh, right now, I would say like if you turn off some settings, like if you don't want the images to be uploaded on the WordPress site, or if you don't want to allow SVGs to upload it to the WordPress site from the Figma, then you can control it here. If you are exporting this layout, and if you're wishing that I will upload the images after the exportation, in case you are running with slow internet, just off this and upload your design. Every elements will be there. Just you need to select the images from the WordPress site, right? And it will export it as a Figma's exported images. This one is SVG. So SVGs are like a vector, as we can see here. Okay, this one is logged, but we can make it as a SVG by right click on them and click on the fat. So it turn into SVG. If you don't want it as an image, flatten. Yeah, we are done. Okay, and this one, I would personally recommend to keep this button on, because it will convert the containers with pixel to percentage. That will help us to get the responsive output in every device. Like if we have set uh, so the frame, okay, here to 1280 pixels, but when we are keeping this feature on, it will convert it into the percentage, so it will be easy to handle. All right, so let's move. So we have two options: download JSONs and live import. If you want to download the JSON, you can do it by here and upload to the template. Or if you don't want to upload your design to the template, you can go with live import. I have already added the site, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, let me upload all three together. Let me select them first. The page, the header and footer. Convert, live import. Once connection established, it will show the green indicator. So you can select the destination where you want your page to export. Okay, for page layout, and I will select the next step, and we'll select the header. Okay, again next step and footer. Next. Okay, let's upload. It may take some times because of images we have used. Okay, our page layout is ready. The header is ready. And the footer is ready. Okay, so we can open this page just by clicking here. See, okay, I think I missed to give a padding. Okay, we will check it later. As you can see, I have tagged it as a carousel, so it is the testimonial. Okay, I forgot to give an alignment here. Okay, the button. These are image gallery images. The form, the counter. Okay, as you can see, we have entered the location of Times Square, and we are here. It is working. And these are the icon list. Okay, let's check the footer and header. Okay, I need to publish it. I just need to give an entire website and publish. Okay, let's do the same to the footer.
Just a quick point while Dhawal makes it entire site. This is part of our Nextdoor theme, which comes
Yeah,
with its own theme builder. It is for
yes.
free, but like if you're using Elementor Pro, you can also sync in there as well. So it works
Yeah,
with both the theme builder, our own
yeah,
Nextdoor theme builder as well as Elementor.
yes. It will work for both. Okay, let's check the main our page. Just a refresh. As we can see, the header and the footer is there. These are icon list. I have already tagged it. and this is icon list. Sorry, this is social icon, my mistake, and this is icon list. Okay, so let's correct this one in Figma. Elementals button widget won't accept the height, so you need to apply padding. Okay, good. And the alignment. Okay, as you can see, it is left aligned. I just need to make it center, and you can re-import it. We can replace the same page. Okay, it's done. Just refresh. See, done. Okay, so let's check the backend side. Okay, so right now, as you can see, earlier it was just only simple layouts, and now these are converted into widgets as we tagged. So this magic just happened just because of tagging feature of UiChemy. Right, as you can select the button. You can change everything here. If you want to change the color, you can do it. Yeah, do it. What it was. Okay, if you feel your images are small, just go here, carousel, just click on the full. Done. If you want to change the title or anything, it's simple to do it. You don't need to do any coding or don't need any developer here. Okay. You can add some more fields to the form. Let's fix this one. Done. If you wish to add some spacing between title and counter, simply go here and apply some padding, some gap. Do the same. If you want to change the view of, then you can decrease the value. These are icon box as a widget. You can, if you want to change, you can change the icon. Okay, by default it is white color. So let's change the color. Okay, can change it. So let's check it in the tablet responsive. All right. So it's almost responsive. I just need to update some width here. Let's make it 80. Okay, done. Let's change the width to the default or inline. Done. If you feel that height is not too much, then you can just type this one. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, I think the height is carry forwarded. Let's set to 0. Let's fix this. Okay, done. If you want to show, if you wish that you want to show only form here, then you can simply change the direction. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, we just need to set 100%. Done. Done. If you want your height a little smaller, then you can do this. Okay, let's check the mobile responsive. Right. Okay. We can update the values the same as we did for tablet. I want this section as 140 this time. Even you can change the image as well if you don't want this image anymore. Let's see. I think almost 95% things is in responsive, as you can see. Okay, let's make it smaller. And if I want to change the alignment, I will just click here, center line, do the same. Center line. This is the gallery image. The form automatically it adjusted into auto layout as we have applied field, the number counter, the map. You can let's fix this. Change the direction and set the width to the 100% just by clicking here. Let's apply the same to the rest. Select copy, paste style. We are done. So it's so easy and simple things. So you can you don't need to any coding knowledge required here. All right. So thank you everyone. Aditya, you can continue.
Perfect. Thank you, Dhaval. Can you just move to the sixth slide of the PPT?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that was a great presentation. And
Yes,
I
it
hope
was awesome.
everyone here loved the presentation and found it helpful. And you must have found the pointers which you must like, we need to take care before we convert. But yeah, we are now looking forward to your feedback, suggestions, and just open to your suggestions right now. So you
Yes.
can open your mic, directly share with us, or you can text as well. We are taking questions now.
Okay, so I think Arvind's question is it possible to convert the header into responsive where the menu turns into a burger icon via UiChemy? So basically, yes, actually during this WordCamp Europe, like we were discussing with the Elementor team as well, right now they don't have their menu in a free version, and in their pro version, yes, we are planning to tag that as well, so it will be automatically converted in the responsive version as well. But right now that is not possible with the Elementor widget because that is not available from their end, but very soon, because that was our main discussion point, because in header that is essential to tag that as a uh, like navigation widget. So that's in a list. Thanks for asking. Yes, any
Everyone.
other questions? Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. I wanted to ask, like, we will be covering more webinar ahead. So Dhawal did give a in-depth analysis, but there's sometimes we may need more focus on one particular feature. So we would like to hear which particular thing would you like to learn more about? Is it the responsive part, or is it the optimization part, or which one is it? Or would you like to take care more about how we are using the templates and easily converting? So we would like to hear how would you like to shape our future webinars?
Also, while Dhaval was showing all the settings and all the session, we were discussing on a chat as well with the Laurent about how things are working and so on. You can read on those parts as well. And one question I didn't answer while the chatting, so he was asking about the bricks and so on. So I think for the bricks, we will have one more webinar very soon where we will explain about bricks, how we can integrate with their classes, and how you can get the base result in the bricks as well. But for this session, we are more focused on the Elementor part, and we would love to hear more about this.
Like very soon we plan to release our YouTube series as well. Like we'll be creating dedicated video where we will be converting the full-fledged templates from scratch, and we'll be, and as well as this webinar will be going live on the YouTube as well. But more videos from scratch to conversion as well as templates both. So you can expect more video content with us soon.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll be uploading this and we'll send this as the YouTube link very soon. We'll just get the editing and minor things done and we'll send the link to everyone here. Sure, Eva, got it.
Yes, we are releasing our WP Sprout very soon, and that will be 100% free as well. And you will stuck to you will see lots of almost 1300 templates, and there will be a full pages. We recently counted a number, and that was about 250 pages will be there. So and everything will be tagged and made in auto layout and so on. So that will help you guys a lot, because basically we are trying to make your conversion journey very easy. And that's why we are seeking more feedback so we can save this product, so we can save a lots of time for you, and you can utilize that time for your personal, or to increase your revenue, or in business growth and so on. So that's our main purpose, to build this product, and we are keep on working on that. But we are seeking your feedback.
Interesting point, Saga, because I hope like everyone here is observing how the industry is changing. Like we must have seen how the Wix Studio, which was recently launched, and they have come up with their own Figma to Wix conversion, and as well
Yes.
as Webflow. I am pretty sure all the web designers here would be observing the other CMS as well. So after seeing all this, and we thought that okay, UiChemy will be the answer from the side of the WordPress, and that's where our vision aligns. That's where we see UiChemy. It's at that level. Okay.
Okay.
Eva has one
I
question.
think Eva is asking one-on-one tutorial for my work, and correct or confirm I am doing it right. Definitely, Eva. At this early stage, we would love to know how people are designing their layout, and you can reach out to us anytime, with our live chat. You can reach out to us our at support@posimyth.com. Even you can reach out to me, Aditya, anyone with sagar@posimyth.com, and anywhere. And we would love to help you out with your initial difficulties or anything.
Hmm.
Yes, the Sprout UI will be a Figma kit, and that will be released on Figma community. And yes, that will be convertible to UiChemy. Again, that will be almost 80-90% optimized, because we are always believing in that philosophy. This tool will help you save your 80% of time. Few time you might need to spend on Elementor or at the Figma, but we are all constantly focused on each and every new options coming from Figma or Elementor, and we will keep on trying to map each and everything. But right now, as both ecosystem are different, so few options you might need to manage from Elementor as well. So we will try our best, but few things you might need to manage from Elementor, or anything like Gutenberg or something.
Hmm.
Yes, you are right. As Laurent is asking, can we repurpose those design into client's prototype, and then we can convert? Yes, definitely you can. because everything will be well tagged and well optimized. You can change your text, images, and change the layout and so on. And then after the approval from your client, you can definitely, like, in single click, you can convert that into Elementor website or any other platforms as well.
I had a just quick question to everyone present here. Like, how did you come to know about UiChemy? So, did you find us on Google, YouTube? Just had a very quick, curious question. What was the journey of you finding UiChemy in your research? Like, everyone could, they can simply reply in the
Okay,
comments.
Google.
So, Arvind, did you search how to convert Figma to what Elementor?
I think Arvind have mentioned that. Okay, they are mentioning Google, YouTube.
All right.
Thanks,
Okay.
thanks. Like, they are mentioning we are having a good website. Thank you so much.
Let's pass the comments to our web designer team.
Yeah.
I remember Lloyd. He's very active in the Plus Arounds for Elementor community. So I know that you are a existing user.
Yes.
Okay, so it's I'm seeing that it's more from the Google. So Figma to Elementor search.
Yeah. Okay. Like, if anyone have any questions, like, you can enable your mic and you can say, or you can write as well.
Yeah, please feel free comfortable. It's like
Yeah.
a very formal, like it's a very personal discussion. So please feel free to unmute your mic and share your suggestions. We would like to talk to with you everyone here.
Okay. I think everyone got all the idea about UiChemy. Also, like, we are also having a four more minutes. Like, if you have any questions, okay, you can ask either. Like, you can reach out to us by, like, as I have said, like, we are having lots of more to reach out. Like, you can reach out to us on Twitter, on Facebook, or anywhere, and we would love to answer, because this is the product, it is not for us. We are building for you guys, and your feedback will be very crucial for us. And so don't hesitate to reach out to us for anything. Like, if you are needing any help with your Figma file, if you have any ideas, like, this thing should be there in your plugin, or anything about our plugin or the product.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
Sagar, and
Aditya.
be as constructive as possible because we won't shy away from implementing any of your suggestions. So thank you so much. We look forward to connecting with you soon, and we'll announce the next webinar date as well. And this video will
Yes.
be going live by this weekend, Max. Have a great day,
Yes.
everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone for joining, and thanks for amazing tutorial, Dhaval, Aditya, and Mitul, for
Thank you.
helping in the chat. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thanks, everyone.